Hi, today I'll be showing you how to connect an Oracle database to your Google Sheets, as well as how to run and schedule queries. So let's get started. To set up your database, go to the Toolbar section, and within Add-ons, click on the Castodia Database Connector and click Settings. Here you can manage your databases by either creating a new database or editing a current one. To create a new database, you'll need to compile some database connection information, which consists of 5 components: database name, host, port, username, and password. If you're unsure of where to get this information, a great place to start would be to contact your engineering, IT, or analytics team. And so once you've compiled the information, you can go ahead and paste it in. A nickname is mandatory, so you can go ahead and use anything you would like. We can use Oracle Sample here. Then click on the drop-down menu to access the Oracle database. Then click in the database name, the link, which is the host, the port, the username, and the password. Then go ahead and click Test to verify if your credentials are okay. Once they are, go ahead and click Save. And that is how you save your database. Now let's run queries. To run a query, go to the add-ons again, but this time click Launch. Now you can select the database that you would like to use and paste in your query. So for me, I'll be selecting all the information from the table demo. Then I'll click Run. Now go ahead and save your query. So a query name is mandatory, but the description is optional. So once you've done so, go ahead and click Save. Now let's schedule queries. To schedule a query, go to the Schedule tab. Within the Query tab, you can pick the query that you would like to use and the sheet you'd like to run it in. You can choose to repeat it every day, on certain days of the week, on certain days of the month, and also on certain months of the year. Or you can run it once. I'll repeat it every day, and you can run it either once or every certain amount of minutes or hours. So for me, I'll pick 1 minute. Next, choose the time range in terms of how you'd like to schedule your data. So for me, I will choose between 7:15 a.m. to 8:12 p.m. Then go ahead and click Schedule. After you've scheduled, make sure to share the sheet with the Castodia email. So click on the icon, go to Share, and then Share with Castodia. Before you send, make sure that the edit option is also on, and then go ahead and click Send. It's important to note that whenever you do run or schedule a query, a pink line will form underneath your sheet name, just like this, to indicate that you've used the add-on for some sort of purpose. So now in a minute, we'll see a new row form underneath our sheet name. And that's it.